Today we're showing you a 2012 John Deere 3038E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor, has 37 horsepower. Engine is prior to the Tier 4 emissions, so it has none of the regen filtration system on it. Tractor has just over 250 hours on it, has the canopy top to go with it, has a John Deere 305 front end loader also included. The bucket here is quick attach. It's a 5-foot bucket. Grill guard is there. Paint is in really nice shape on the tractor and loader. It's a very clean, very nice little unit. Perfect for property maintenance, brush hogging, that type of thing. Got the 540 PTO, standard 3-point Cat 1 hookup. R4 industrial tires are good. Power steering, it's got the joystick for the loader right there within easy reach. PTO, 3-point controls all to the right of the seat. To the left here you've got your range lever. It's got 2 ranges plus the park brake and your four-wheel drive engagement lever. 2 pedals for forward and reverse over there. It's a fully hydrostatic transmission. Brake pedal and diff lock here to the left. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. Tractor also must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery. If you have any questions, please contact us.